नाज़रीन इकराम अस्सलामु अलैकुम, आपका हमारे चैनल TS इंडिया में इस्तकबाल है।
It is a very sad day of Telangana Assembly, sir. We all together had fought against the injustice which was done to the region of Telangana, and all of us together succeeded in achieving Telangana, sir. And see what the BRS is doing to the Telangana Legislative Assembly, sir. What is this, sir? I would like to ask them, sir, is this the teaching of the KCR and the BRS, sir? Is this what they are being taught? Is this the behavior which has been taught? This is the way they are supposed to behave? Sir, agitating is the right of every individual, sir, and every legislature. But there is some limit of agitation, sir. कोई अखलाक होते हैं. Sir, what is the message we are giving, sir? Sir, we all are elected members. We all are elected members. We are sent by the people to represent their issues, to represent their problems, and not only to represent but to resolve their problems and issues, sir. But it is so sad. BRS for BRS, sir, individual is more important than the people, sir. If one individual is so important, then I think the people will teach them our more strong lesson, sir. Because we come here to represent the people. We are not family member only, sir. This gives a message: family is superior than the people. Family is superior than the state. Family is superior than this house. It is very sad, sir.
इंशाल्लाह मज़ीद अपडेट के साथ आपसे मुलाकात होती रहेगी। आपसे गुजारिश है चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें। अल्लाह हाफिज़।